everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks all over the place. They'll probably be joining me here soon. Loki's white puppy dog. The beagle is Dexter, and Willie is the Jack Russell. We also have a kitty named Harvey. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I am kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get life, and you get puppies. What's not to love, right? It is Sunday morning, and I have a residual cold hanging out, but it seems to just be right here. So hopefully it goes away here in the next couple of days. So if you're noticing sniffles or my voice sounds a little different, that would be why. And for my outfit today, I'm pretty casual. I have on a sweatshirt from Wantable that I got quite a bit ago. I think this one's from Recycled Karma. I love it. I've worn it many times. Paired with hidden denim, also from Wantable. And then for shoes, how about these fun shoes from Seychelles? I love a good slip-on shoe. Anything that doesn't make me go to too much work. And I didn't put any jewelry on today, so I just have on my permanent bracelets and the earrings I've been wearing. And that's my outfit today. I'm going to get busy here. I have a very cool video I'm excited about. I want to get recorded. And of course, I have to have some house stuff to get caught up on. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day, and I am not getting to this until like the very end of the day. The sun's already going down. It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know how it's November already. So I had to get ready early this morning because I they were picking up my vehicle to get serviced, and we're supposed to come at 9, and all of a sudden at 7:30 they're on their way. So luckily I do have some fully baked outfits in the back of my head sometimes when I have to get dressed really quickly, and this one was one of them. It's from Cabi, so the Cabi jeans. I love these, the Cooper jean, the Cabi v-neck pullover in this yummy brown, paired it with the belt. You know the belt the dogs ate and I had to buy it again. And then Dolce Vita shoes. I love these, got them in a Stitch Fix. And put my jewelry stack on, my Louis necklace, and I was off and running for the day and haven't stopped since then. So it's crazy. And let's see, my front door fashion posted today, and I know you all weighed in for me, right? It was a tough one, I thought, because while the clothes were nice, they weren't really me. So I think a couple people said that, and I agree. So I ended up keeping the tank because I loved it. Have that leather-like look. I think that would be fun to elevate a look. And I kept the belt. I kept the 2 belts. I just kept the 2 belts. And that was it. I love a great belt. I thought these were nice colors. And so those 3 things, that's what I kept. So I think, you know, Bethany is still learning me. She's only, I think that was probably the 4th box maybe she's done. So I think we're going to be fine, but yeah, that one didn't really hit the mark. And that's why you give lots of feedback, right? So it helps to get hopefully better and better boxes. All right, so the Trio of Terror is in quiet time. It's time for me to go run them, but I decided to keep this one quiet. I hope your week is off to a great start, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is shining. It's 56 degrees out. That's about what it was yesterday. It's not bad out. In the sun, it feels really, really good. The puppers are having some quiet time right now, so I can get some work done. And for my outfit today, I have on these fun pants from White House Black Market, paired it with my little Henley that I just got from Cabi. And for my shoes, how about these fun Jeffrey Campbell? I love these. And then for jewelry, I just have a bracelet stack on. I have on a Ana Luisa necklace and the earrings I've been wearing. That's my outfit today. All right, well, I'm going to get back to work, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is hump day. We made it to Wednesday, It is a sunshiny day, 62, that's the high. The sun and the wind is blowing. So it's a very windy, sunshiny day. And my loft posted today, my loft haul, so many awesome pieces, right? I hope you check it out. Catch them before they're gone. They sell out so quickly, and the deals are so good. So please do check out that video and capture the things that you want heading into the holidays here. And funny story, I got dressed this morning, ready to go, and Loki, behave. Loki. Okay, good boy. I don't know what he was doing. I was nervous, but he was grabbing his ball. Good boy. Yeah, they make me nervous. They're bad. Because, okay, here's an example. So they're being very bad today. I couldn't work. It was impossible. So I decided to put them outside for a bit, let them run it out. So when I finally, and then I can't get them back in because they're having so much fun. They won't, you know, they won't listen. Finally get them all in, and they jump all over me, my desk, and each other, and they're covered in dirt. Covered in dirt. So I have to change my pants. I have to go down and wipe it off down my chair and my desk. They got a timeout. Loki just got a bath yesterday, and now I think he's covered in dirt. So it's like toddlers, you can't keep them clean, right? All right, so now I have on a pair of Sanctuary pants that I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on this Faherty sweater that I love that I got in a Trendsend. Rag and Bone jacket as a topper because I am running to my dad's tonight. That came in a Trendsend. And these awesome shoes from Dolce Vita, also Trendsend. I forgot to put a necklace on this morning because I was running around. I have on my bracelet stack. And we're off and running. We're off and running, right? I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for after the day. The sun is shining. You can see I have a little line here from it kind of getting through my window there. There we go, in the middle of my face. It is a beautiful sunshiny day. 50 degrees, so it's not getting warm, but it is really pretty outside. And for my outfit today, I chose Daze denim from a Stitch Fix. I have on a Liverpool jacket, also from a Stitch Fix. I have on a LNA tank from Evereve, and Vince Camuto little booties, slip-on booty style here, also from Evereve. They're in a Trendsend. For jewelry, I have on my bracelet stack. I have on my mom's necklace here, and that's it. That's a wrap. Can't believe it's already going to be tomorrow. It's going to be Friday tomorrow. Can't even get the words out. It's going to be Friday tomorrow. So I'm excited about that. I could use a little bit of a rest, and the weekend will surely do that. All right, the puppers are in quiet time. I think that might have been the theme this week. They are very rowdy now that they're all fine from their surgeries. Their stitches are out, and they are full of fire, let me tell you. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. It's going to be 63 today, waking up to 51, a little overcast, but not too bad outside. It was super windy yesterday, like really windy. Actually for the last couple days, because we've had a lot of stuff been blowing about, right? Because I still haven't cleaned up quite everything outside yet. It takes me, it's a process. It's a process to get it all out, and it's a process to bring it all back in. So I still have work to do there. But today seems a little bit calmer. So when I think the rain's coming, and then when I'm traveling next week, the sleety snow. So it sounds fantastic. And let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Daze denim from JB Stylebox. I have on an Evereve sweater from Trendsend. I have on Vince Camuto shoes, slide-on shoes from Stitch Fix. An Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack, and I think we're ready to go. And the sun's starting to come out. I love this. So my cold seems to potentially be getting better here. I can feel it right here in my throat, but luckily it's never made it to my chest, so it's all stayed up here. I'm feeling a bit better than I was the beginning of the week, but you can still, I'm a little nasally. I know you're probably hearing that. So hopefully that's going to go away by the weekend. By the end of the weekend, I guess, since it's not gone today. And for my Friday funny, I can't remember if I told you all. I might have mentioned it. Wyatt and Xena used to love to drink out of the shower. They did it all the time. I mean, and Xena would be so communicative that she would be staring. She would go to the shower and she would stand there until you would turn the water on for her. It was her thing. She always wanted to drink from the shower water, and we have a walk-in shower in our master bathroom, so it was always a thing with her. When we got the new puppies, they picked up on that instantly. I don't know if she was whispering in their ears, but immediately they're in the shower after we were, we're done and drinking the water, and then they would go to it and want us to turn it on. So here's a cute video of everybody's in the shower. They all have to have a drink. And Harvey, there's just a second little picture there. Harvey has to drink out of the shower as well. The whole furry crew has to drink from the shower. And if there's nothing in there, you have to turn the water on for them and try not to get them soaking wet, right? Even though they don't mind. Loki doesn't mind. He'll get as wet as possible. He loves it. But it's funny. I swear, we were shocked at how quickly that was a thing. It was within the first month. They instantly had picked that up. All right. Well, I have a Trendsend box sitting here that I need to get to. So I will see you tomorrow for final outfit of the day. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is early in the morning. I'm off to my hair appointment. It's 47, it's gonna get up to 59. It's not too bad today. And the puppers, have you seen the puppers all week? You might not have. They're in bed with my husband, so it might have been a quiet week this time. My JB Stylebox posted today. She does such an amazing job. Like, so good. The skirt I was able to exchange. So the black skirt with the little diamonds all over it, I was able to exchange for a small and it fits perfectly. And the cow wide leg, I kept those. So remember the cow jeans, I kept those. I kept the cream fur coat, the ebony coat. I kept the red leather biker jacket. The skirt I already told you about. And then I exchanged the red cami instead for that Johnny Cash graphic tee she had in the picture. So I'm going to get that one instead. And then she sent me another fun item that was not part of the box that I can't wait to share coming up here. It's a fun little cow fur jacket. It's so cute. So you'll be seeing that coming up. Those were my keepers this time. I did not keep the V-neck black sweater with all the embellishments because for me I thought it was a little bit overdone. I loved the wine dress so much and I could not figure out where I would wear it, but it was gorgeous. And I think that's it. Oh, and I love the pull-on Daze pants with the running stripes, but they just didn't fit me. And for today, I picked a one and done because I was in a hurry. So I have on the Free People jumpsuit that I got in a Wantable. I think I actually got it in one of the active wear Wantables. Paired it with this Cupcakes and Cashmere jacket from a Trendsend a long time ago, like very, very long time ago, one of my first. And then these shoes you've seen before, they are by Lucky. For jewelry, I have on a necklace I got in a Trendsend with a Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack. I'm off. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap fun outfit of the day. So as always, I will list all the outfits down below. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll have all the box links down below also. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week, so please let me know. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe to hype. I'll catch you next week. Bye-bye.